so excited that we actually get this opportunity. Utah's all about pioneers, and we are pioneering something new at ABC4 with our Pinpoint Weather team taking on Pollen Sense. This is incredible. I know what's important to viewers. We try to forecast and give you not just the weather conditions, we're looking at highs and lows, storms coming in, but pollen impacts so many of us, even if it's your little ones, sneezing, watery eyes. So this is something where we can really give people a heads up and news they can use as they head out into the great Utah outdoors.
Our plan was to build a network with the best data on Earth, which we've done, and now we're getting that out as best we can in any fashion that we can. The partnership with ABC4 is beautiful because it reaches a segment of population that consumes information, weather, in that way. We also have this app, Pollen-Wise, which is going to give you alerts immediately on your phone saying, hey, mold is spiking right now. And you can make a decision, hey, maybe I'm gonna go inside, or maybe I'm gonna take an allergy pill.
But an hourly pollen forecast is something that has never been done before. Right now, the best we have is looking at a pollen forecast that was counted the day before. Now we can tell the folks at home that we know that this is a specific type of tree that's giving us the allergies. This is a specific type of weed or grass, and the mold, how high is the mold, especially after a rainstorm. Plus, on top of it, with the app that they've provided to us, that will allow us to be able to access the system and see a bigger breakdown of what specific pollens are out there. And we're not just talking about one pollen, we're talking multiple pollens across the board.
Our target audience is the allergy and allergy asthma sufferer. So anybody that has the sniffles. It's empowering to know what's in the air and what's causing the problem. It's also useful to know that information to make decisions, just like you would with weather data.
Well, for meteorologists, this is very important because it has to function in real time. You see, our viewers expect immediacy and accuracy when it comes to their data or their information that they're consuming at home. So with a product like this that does function in real time, it allows us to provide them with that data that they need so that they can really understand what it's like at that moment, the second they step out of their home.
Because we get real-time information with an exclusive look at the pollen that comes in hour by hour. This setup alone by Pollen Sense allows us to really be ahead of it in the market and let people who are allergy sufferers, which are so many of us in Utah, get what they need. Information is power, and we're able to deliver that to them in real time so they know what to expect as they get through the next couple of days.
This automated particulate sensing machine by the folks at Pollen Sense is really kind of a game changer.
Now with this, we're doing that in an automated way, and we can report every hour. That's revolutionary. Nobody else is doing that.